Good afternoon, one and all. We welcome you all to our project presentation. I, Mohammed Musaab Delvi, would be acting as an anchor to our team project and would like to do a swift introduction on our team members. First of all, Affan Shariff, our team leader, with Mohammed Hassan and Rakesh M, under the privileged guidance of Victor Sir, and would like to welcome our project reviewer, Honraju Sir, and also all the faculty members and students. We welcome you all. As you can see, our project is an external project. First of all, when we had the opportunity to choose our project, we thought of choosing a simple and easy project that could fetch us good marks. But as a responsible citizen and upcoming engineer, it is our duty to solve the problems of our society. Therefore, our project clearly aims to solve the biggest problem by providing the correct information on the COVID 19. Introduction and project description. COVID Assist. As you can see in our title, Assist means help. We chose our title as COVID Assist, in sense helping the ones who are affected. COVID Assist application provides a vast and different types of information related to this pandemic. Firstly, information on COVID status. COVID status shows the total cases, active cases, discharges, and death in our city. Followed by availability of beds. It shows availability of beds in different hospitals and COVID centers. Then it is followed by vaccines. It shows the available slots, name of vaccine, and the cost of vaccines. And then the most required, though it seems basic information, we provide information on COVID 19 guidelines, COVID 19 restrictions, and scheme provided by the government to the affected people. At last, most important topic, helpline numbers. Helpline numbers contains contacts of hospital, ambulance drivers, NGOs who provide free oxygen supplies, medical supplies, and essential services. Motivation. Why? Why we chose this particular topic? As we can see, COVID assist is most required at this difficult time. We see heavy rise in COVID cases and chaos spreading in the world, and how to deal has become a major question. Affected are not able to access right information at right time. Access to availability on beds, medicines, and other essential services has become a major issue. Thus, we try to provide accurate information through COVID Assist app. We believe that by providing information at their fingertips, we give a chance to humanity to fight against COVID. Now, I would like to call Affan Shariff for further topics.
Thank you, Musaab. As you can see on the screen, there are many apps which provide COVID related information. For example, there is an Arogya Setu app which helps with contact tracing. There is a Kova Punjab app which helps with essential services, and so on and so forth. But the problem with these apps is the apps which provide essential services, they are restricted to a particular district or city, or the apps which are scaled throughout India, they don't provide information which is required by the people at these difficult times. Next is proposed system. COVID Assist app is the next level or feature packed version of existing systems. This app provides information about the current COVID status, which displays total active cases, discharges, and deaths. Next, it displays the information about the availability of COVID beds available in a district which is selected by the user, followed by the vaccines availability. Most importantly, it displays the essential services such as medicines, oxygen concentrators, funeral services, which is offered by non-profit organizations for free or at heavy discounted price. Also, verified helpline numbers are displayed as the infected person will not be able to step outside to find contact numbers of ambulance or other essential service which is required. Therefore, the COVID Assist app is much different than any other app because we provide complete and correct information about everything that a person needs during these difficult times. Thus, we stay unique in our own way.
Thank you, Affan. Now the further topic will be continued by Mohammed Hassan.
Project Objectives. This app aims to help people get the right information at right time. Our app helps users to take necessary precautions to think before stepping out of their houses depending on positive cases. The confusion and rumors among people can be greatly reduced by providing the correct information at right time. Information on availability of the COVID-19 beds can help the people to admit their loved ones in a hospital or COVID care center where vacant beds are available. Our app tends to provide all the information on essential services during this pandemic. Functional requirements. COVID Assist app provides the data through different kinds of analysis. COVID-19 status displays the current status and statistics from local and global perspective through data sheets and data visualization. Our app provides information on beds available according to the user requirements and the patient health conditions. Guidelines and restrictions suggested by the Ministry of Health and World Health Organization and steps or measures for self-isolation. COVID Assist mainly focuses on providing helpline number that are active. Non-functional requirements. Performance requirement. As COVID information involves timely updates, fetching the data, schemes, so that backend and front-end app is so powerful and versatile enough to fetch updated information. Safety and security requirements. In our app, safety is the topmost concern. If anything goes wrong with the information provided in the app, then user's life is at stake. So, higher priority is given to safety matters. At these difficult and sensitive times, it's a tedious task to have a separate officer assigned to verify the numbers. All the contact numbers which will be displayed in various fields will be verified using OTP authentication. And we don't collect any personal information about the user in the app, hence there is no privacy risk. Software quality attributes. COVID Assist has important attributes like adaptability, maintainability, portability, and robustness.
Thank you, Hassan. Now, Affan will continue from the next topic, subsystems and modules.
To keep it simple, the app is divided into two subsystems. One subsystem handles displaying information to the user, and another subsystem is used by the officers to create, update, or delete the data pertaining to the beds or vaccines. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty details of the COVID Assist app. Starting from the block diagram. We have made the UI of the app so simple that even a person with grade 5 knowledge can use it with ease and get the right information. Also, the block diagram is simplified. As you can see, when a person opens COVID Assist app, they are displayed the following information, that is COVID status, COVID beds, vaccines, essential services, COVID information, and helpline numbers. For instance, when the user selects to view COVID beds, they are navigated to a page which shows the different types of beds, and those are regular beds, oxygen beds, ICU beds, and ventilator beds. According to the user's needs, when they select any one among the 4 beds, they are navigated to bed details page, and in that page all the records are displayed which shows the name of the hospital or COVID center, location, last updated status, the total beds in the hospital versus vacant beds available, along with the location and contact numbers. Or when the user selects to view vaccines availability from home page of the app, they are navigated to vaccines detail page. In this page, user can select their age group using radio tile option and get those age groups vaccines availability details. The records are displayed which consist of vaccination center's name, the vaccine available, last updated status, and the available slots. When the user selects to view essential services from home page of the app, they are navigated to essential services page. In this page, user can select oxygen supplies, medicines, groceries, or funeral services. And these are the services which are provided for free or at heavy discounted price by non-profit organizations, NGOs, etc. When the user opts their required service, they are navigated to a details page which displays the name and contact number. Next is the officer subsystem. This is divided into two modules. One deals with the verification of officer's detail and the next module handles creation, updation or deletion of the information pertaining to the records entered by that officer.
Thank you, Affan. Now Rakesh will continue with the software and hardware requirements.
Hardware requirements. For this requirement, we need to install and run Flutter where the development environment must meet these minimum requirements: RAM 4 GB, operating system Windows 7 and above, disk space with minimum space of 1.64 GB, tools where Flutter depends on Windows PowerShell 5.0, Git for Windows 2.x. Software requirements. In our project, we use programming language as Dart, where Dart is very active community and helps are available. Front end. In front end, we use Flutter, where Flutter is very fast, simple, and fully loaded with features. Backend. In backend, we use Firebase. Firebase is real-time database, helps to store and synchronize data. Database. In database, we used Firestore, where Firestore is based on Firebase. IDE, where IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, meant with Visual Studio or Android Studio.
Thank you, Rakesh. As of conclusion, I would like to remind you all with our engineering oath. As an engineer, we pledge to practice integrity and fair dealing, and the dignity of our profession, conscious always that our skill helps to serve humanity by making the best use of our precious knowledge. We thank our guide for helping and guiding us at every stage. Also, we would like to thank all the faculty members for giving us this great opportunity, and we also thank the students present here. Thank you.